Now we're going to talk about hanging our Christmas ornaments or our just decorative ornaments. First of all, you're going to take the tin, and I always like taking a nice big fat hunker nail, and I'll put that as my nail for the hanging. We'll punch that in, and now I have a nice big space to put either, let's say I want to hang it with raffia. I'll take a nice piece of raffia for a very natural look, and I'll thread it through that hole because that hole is now big enough to accept that. And I can either just tie the bottom and then tie it around a tree, or let's say I want to hang it from my light to get a little reflection and to add a little festivity down on the chandeliers. I can do that. I can use ribbon, which here I have a really pretty piece of pink ribbon. So you can use the ribbon as a way. I use my tin snip for everything. So you can use this as your hanger. Another idea is to take an old wire hanger. We always have millions of these, right? Take the tin snip, clip off the top. This I have to use a little of my muscle strength. And take that off. And you can actually just add this and kind of work it around so that you have a nice little hanger, and that will work. So you're recycling once again. Another option is to make a garland of the tin ornaments and then place them along your house instead of pine bows. You can have your tin ornament bows. Anyway, this will be some other ideas for hanging your ornaments.